This is a big CNC machining project we made for a Russian customer in 2013. With the total contract value over $50,000. This project included almost various materials from brass, aluminum, plastics, steel, and stainless steel. There are around 80 drawings with each file 4 to 8 pieces, with total quantity around 500 pieces, weight over 800 kilograms. Because it's not easy to ship goods via express to Russia, all his parts would be shipped by railway transport. This customer runs an electronics company in Moscow. He often purchases machined parts from here and then assemble in his own workshop. Generally speaking, we seldom work with Russian customers, and our main market is North American and European countries, but this Russian customer is very easy to work together and always replies very fast, and he has strict quality requirements. Before packing all goods, we would take photos and videos for all parts, and also email him the QC reports. Here are some photos I took 9 years ago. Until now, we keep very good relationship with this customer, and we wish him every success in his company in the coming years.